How to transfer chat history within WhatsApp across devices. Open WhatsApp, tap More Options Settings, Chats Transfer Chat Start. Download and then open on WhatsApp, your new phone. Go through the setup. Accept terms and verify. Tap Accept Terms and Conditions. Verify your phone number. Tap Start on Transfer Chat History from your old phone. Grant permissions and get QR codes. Accept requested permissions. And then you'll see the QR code on your old phone. Scan the QR code shown on your new phone. Allow request acceptance. Scan QR code. Accept requested permissions and prepare to scan the QR code that will be shown on your new phone. Receive association invitation. While your chat history is transferring, a percentage bar will track the progress. Keep both phones unlocked and don't leave WhatsApp. Messaging is paused during the chat history transfer. You can cancel the process at any time. Once the import is complete, tap Done.